So you must be thinking what are the ways and methods with which you can make your this umbilicus point very healthy. So one thing is how yoga can help into this. So one thing is you can do Surya Namaskar, because solar plexus is very much connected with Surya Namaskar to soak the energies of the sun, and sun as a vital energy or vital source of our life. So that's why in yoga there is a lot of importance of Surya Namaskar, Surya Kriya, Surya Shakti, is because all these techniques are to activate your solar plexus, and when your solar plexus will get activated, definitely your quality of life will be enhanced. And if you are new, if you are hearing these words for the first time and you have no idea like what is Surya Namaskar or Surya Kriya, these are the ancient yogic techniques that has been used for years by our ancestors, and still people are using it to take care the health of your solar plexus. In addition to this, what are the other ways and methods with which you can make your umbilicus healthy? One thing is you try to keep your umbilicus always clean, because many times this happen because the routine habit, nobody pays attention to umbilicus, and sometimes various kind of dirty things get deposited in your umbilicus. So it becomes extremely important that you take care of the cleanliness of umbilicus, because if you don't keep your umbilicus clean, so many times this happen, various kind of bacteria and infections, various kind of non-beneficial bacteria will attack on it and ultimately cause infection. That's why you must have seen some people complain of itching, some people complain of little bit irritation in the umbilicus. All this happens when you don't take care of the cleanliness of umbilicus. So one thing is you make sure like your umbilicus is properly cleaned, because when solar plexus get disturbed, or when your pitta dosh or this umbilicus, this nabhi will get disturbed, it will disturb your pitta dosha, and when your pitta dosha will get disturbed, then and various kind of diseases like IBS or burps, sometimes you feel very bloated stomach. So these kind of symptoms comes when your nabhi is not working properly. It's been seen that most of the times this disturbance of pitta dosha, it happens because of imbalanced vata. So a lot of importance has been given to make your nabhi healthy, your umbilicus healthy, your belly button healthy, for application of oil. Various kind of oils you can apply to make your umbilicus healthy and your nabhi healthy, and this way you can make your this nabhi area or this nabhi marma extremely strong and better. One of the main benefit of applying oil in the nabhi or this umbilical region is that because it balances your vata dosha, and when your vata dosha will get balanced, that means it will automatically balance pitta and kapha dosha. It's been said that whenever there is imbalance in vata dosha, it disturbs your pitta dosha, because vata dosha is considered as the most strongest among all these three doshas. So oiling your nabhi or umbilicus is one of the technique with which you can bring your vata dosha into balance. So this is very ancient technique of taking care of your umbilicus and nabhi. Who are the people who can apply oil on your nabhi? Everybody can apply oil, but make sure like you should not have any kind of abscess or any kind of medical condition, and make sure the oil which you are going to use on nabhi, just like little bit, one drop, you just need to massage around nabhi with this finger. So this oil which you are going to use, it should be of organic origin. It should not have many chemicals to get the effectivity to the optimum level, and you should not be allergic to that oil. In Ayurveda, various kinds of paste also people use to around your navel area to do treatment for various ailments. This, as we know, the seat of the vata is your colon and the seat of pitta is your small intestine. So when you apply oil on your this navel area, it naturally takes away the dryness from that place, and it will balances your vata, and ultimately your colon vata, slowly eventually it will also start coming into balance. So what you can do before sleep at night or even in the morning, what you can do, you take a drop of oil and you just rub it around your palm, and with this finger you can massage your umbilicus and the area around your umbilicus. So what it will do, it will activate your intestine and your digestion will become better. Not only this, this umbilicus is also a region for various kind of siras, that is veins and arteries and nerves. So that's in this way it will help in maintaining your various kind of tissues, your nervous system, your circulatory system. So that's why application of oil in umbilical region is considered as extremely beneficial in Ayurveda. Now you must be thinking what kind of oil you can use generally. So in generally you can use mustard oil. In mustard oil, if you can use, if you have problem with if your lips get cracked very easily, so you can use mustard oil. And if you have a lot of acne on your skin, especially on your face, then you can use neem oil. That is extremely beneficial. And if you want to have glossy and good and healthy skin, you can use almond oil around the navel area and umbilicus. So all these oil is extremely beneficial in application, and you can apply daily in that area for 21 days. Don't use excess of oil, like you just apply, massage it, just 1 drop is more than enough. So you just apply, you massage it in a circular motion around it, and just then sleep. So that will that is extremely helpful for you to make the health of your nabhi or umbilicus good and healthy. And that is the ancient technique of Ayurveda. It is also called marma therapy, and it is very, very beneficial for making your digestive system and various health of various organs better. If you have any questions regarding that, then please write to us. We will try to help you in a best possible way while answering these questions. Everybody can do this. But make sure, like in infants and in children, you need to take precautions. But if you're 16 years plus, your age is 16 years plus, everybody can use it. Because definitely in children there is a natural protective mechanism that is activated. But as we start growing old, or as we become youth, and after that youngs, and after that old, then our natural protection that started going away. So we need to keep inbuilt it by applying this simple technique of marma therapy or application of oil in your navel region. So this is a very ancient technique which everybody can use for their health and well-being and for better digestion. So I thought, like, okay, this is very important and I should share, because it will not take much effort. It is a just general procedure that you can do for making your health better. But at the same time, you make sure, like, you should not be allergic to any of these oils, and you make sure you take these oils from a right source, and don't start using any random oil, just whatever I have mentioned. These are the generalized oils which everybody can use, but there are some medicated oils also which are also being used in this area. But for that you need proper consultation from Ayurveda doctor or Ayurveda physician. So self-medication don't do, but this coconut oil or almond oil or this mustard oil, all these oils are good, you can use it. In addition to that, don't forget to do yoga, pranayam, Surya Kriya, Surya Namaskar, Surya Shakti. And if you are not aware of about these practices, you please write to us and we will guide you how to do it, what is the procedure to do it, how you can do it. If you are new to yoga, we can definitely help you out with. And if you are already aware about these practices, you can do it. It is very beneficial to activate your solar plexus. Those people who are already doing these practices, they already know the benefits of these practices and definitely they don't want to leave yoga. Because this is the time that we should use everything for our health and well-being. Whether this technology is in Ayurveda, yoga or allopathy or exercise or anything. So that we can enhance our immunity, we can make our health better, and when certain techniques are available, we should make use of it for our well-being and for our family's well-being. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching me, and if you have any questions regarding this, please don't forget to ask these questions. We will answer these questions in the best possible way. And if you have not subscribed my channel, take a minute, click the bell icon and hit the subscribe button. And with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care, and keep eating healthy and be joyful. Bye. Take care.